The nurses are working so hard. I was looking at some of the pictures. I don't know if you noticed on social media, but the doctors and nurses that wear the masks all day long,
Mhm.
they're starting to get bruises. Yeah,
Wow.
they're starting to get bruises from these masks, and they're posting. Some have to wear those safety goggles,
Oh, sure.
which you see around the face. You're seeing some of the bruising that's going on, and the same with the masks because they're really, really tight. And so there's this 13-year-old. He's Quinn. He's a seventh grader in Canada, and he made on his own. He's only 13 years old. A 3D printer version of ear guards.
So do they make it, like it's looser, or I wonder what the ear guards actually do?
Well, I think it helps with the whole bruising thing, so it's
Yeah.
not as tight. They look like they're plastic, but he makes these with a 3D printer. He, like, made a dozen of them and brought them to some nurses and doctors. Well, now his printer is going like 24/7. He's made 500 of those things he's gotta send out throughout Canada and through portions of the United States. They're like he's in demand now because of that.
So part of my takeaway is a 13-year-old has a 3D printer.
Yeah, right?
Where did he get it from?
Come on.
That's awesome.